In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your brand mark shows up cleanly on your live streams and recordings. Start by opening the StreamYard Studio. Head to the StreamYard website, sign in to your account, and from your dashboard, enter the studio. This is the space where you control your broadcast layout, camera, audio, and branding. Give the page a second to load everything so the interface is fully ready before you move on. Once you're inside the studio, look to the right-hand panel. This is where StreamYard organizes all your on-screen assets and design controls. Click the tab labeled Brand, or in some layouts, Media. Both lead you to the same place for what we need. In that panel, scroll until you find the Logo section. This is dedicated to the small image that appears in a corner of your stream, helping viewers instantly recognize your show. Now it's time to upload. In the Logo section, click the plus icon, often labeled Add Logo. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your logo lives, select your file, and click Open or Upload. StreamYard supports PNG, JPG, and GIF files, so most standard logo formats will work. After a brief upload, you'll see a thumbnail of your logo appear in the logo area, confirming it has been added successfully. For the best results, aim for a 200 by 200 pixel image. A square logo fits the placement cleanly without awkward cropping. If you have a version of your logo with a transparent background, use that, specifically a transparent PNG. Transparency helps your logo sit naturally over video without a blocky white or colored box around it, which can be distracting. Keep the design simple and high contrast so it stays legible at a small size. Thin lines or tiny taglines can disappear on screen. If your file doesn't upload, double-check the format and dimensions, and make sure the file isn't corrupted. Converting a logo to PNG or trimming it to a neat square before uploading often solves most issues. Also, if the edges look jagged, export the logo at 200 by 200 from your design tool to keep it crisp. That's all there is to it. Open the studio, head to the right panel, find Brand or Media, locate the Logo section, and upload your image. With the right size and a transparent PNG, your branding will look professional on every stream. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating a polished, consistent look for your broadcasts.